Welcome back to the channel, everybody. If you are new, you're not going to want to leave. You're going to want to stick around because we are going to talk about how you can make $100 to $300 per day from your computer. You can actually make way more than that, but I try to keep it realistic for everybody that's new here. So if you're new, smash that subscribe button. Everybody smash that like button, and let's get into today's topic. So today's video is going to be how you can make a few hundred extra dollars per day leveraging Instagram and how you can promote other people's products to do this. So let's dive into the computer and look right here. I'm on a page on Instagram called Keto Meal Recipe. And for those of you who this looks familiar to, it's probably because you saw my last video. In my last video, I briefly touched on this page and how they're making money on it. But I'm gonna show you today how you can create a page similar to this and make money for yourself. So just take a look at this page. They have 785,000 followers. Just a quick little brief background, but you see the page is pretty much just a bunch of photos of food, nutrition facts, and food images. So anybody could clearly make a page like this. A lot of people don't like to do social media because they don't want to get on camera and they think that they have to be like in every image. You can see the person's not in any of these images. Like, these are literally just pictures of food, and this page makes them money. And you're probably wondering, well, how do they make money off this page? Well, let's just scroll up real quick and take a look. They have a link in their bio. So let's click the link in their bio, right? They have multiple links inside of the bio because they have the many link thing. It's kind of like a link tree. It just allows multiple links. So these links, if you were to click this link, it's going to takes you to a product page or a page where you could get a custom keto diet, right? So the thing is, most people would assume that this is their product. Well, it's not. It's not their product. They get paid a commission anytime somebody purchases this. And so let's show you exactly how you can get a product like this. So if you go over to a website called clickbank.com, you can sign up for free. It's available in a lot of countries. It's the leading affiliate marketplace. So it's a really good place. They have a lot of products. So go ahead and sign up and get logged in. Once you're logged in, you could access what is known as the marketplace. The marketplace, if you scroll down on the left-hand side, you can see there is a ton of categories, right? Well, obviously, keto would fall into the health and fitness. So let's click health and fitness, right? And you can see they got tons and tons of products. And if you were just looking at this, the red right here, this is the top. This is the product, right? That you're going to be that you have access to promote. This is the average commission per conversion. This is the amount of money you would make per conversion if you were to get somebody to purchase this product, right? And the way to do that is you click promote, right? Well, let's scroll through here real quick, and I just want to show you something. If we scroll down a little bit, on the very bottom of the first page, there's one called custom keto diet. Average commission per conversion is $47.05, right? Well, let's just click this link. And you can see the link is exactly the same as the Instagram page that I just got done showing you. So this page right here, Keto Meal Recipe, essentially they're affiliates of ClickBank, right? They have an account over here on ClickBank, and they clicked this, they found this product and they clicked this little promote button. And when they click this promote button, they're able to generate a hop link. So they put their nickname in, they hit generate hop link, and they get this unique URL, this unique web address that they can place anywhere they want on the internet, and they can receive a commission anytime somebody clicks this link because it has a tracking identification number. It tracks back to you. That's what your account nickname's for and everything. Anytime somebody makes a purchase, they receive a commission, and you would essentially do the same. You would just use this link, and you can shorten this link and make it pretty with like a bit.ly or something like that. So, and that's essentially what they did. They made an account here absolutely free. They get access to tons and tons of products absolutely free, not their product. They don't have to do any customer service. They don't have to do any fulfillment. And they just created a simple Instagram page where they post pictures of food. And you could go over to a website like Pexels, right? So pexels.com. And this is free stock photos and videos right here. It's absolutely free. So we could just type food, right? And like, look, I could just get pictures of food all day long, absolutely free. I could just click this picture, click free download. download it to my computer, and upload it to an Instagram page. And you can do this too. And it's that simple. You're probably like, well, I don't have followers and stuff like that. You'll get followers and stuff as you continually post. You could even create little videos for Instagram. Currently, right now, Instagram Reels is a good way to get noticed. So you could come over here to Pexels, right? And you could click videos, and you could do these food videos. Upload those to Instagram Reels, create a nice little bio or description with some nice hashtags in your Instagram Reels, directing people back to your profile, ultimately getting them to click the link in your profile, and hopefully getting them to go through this whole entire sales funnel. And if they make a purchase, you receive a commission. If they don't make a purchase, no big deal. You just don't make a commission, but you didn't really have to do anything. All you did was you put content out on Instagram free of charge to you. It doesn't cost you any money to go into Instagram. It doesn't cost you any money to become a member of ClickBank and get access to these affiliate products. So I hope you see how powerful that is and how simple it really is to do this. If you don't want to do food though, like you're not restricted to just this one thing. Go back to your marketplace, right? All of these categories on the left-hand side. Let's click spirituality, for example, right? You can see they have all kinds of stuff in the spirituality niche, like manifesting, numerology, and stuff like that, right? And they got multiple pages. Just look, you could go to another page. So maybe you would think that a lot of people are promoting the products on page 1, which could be true. So maybe you want to mix it up and find a product on page 2, right? 2021 updated manifestation magic. Let's click this product, right? It pays you $33. That looks pretty cool. And it shows you what the person gets if they purchase it. So this is actually the landing page that the potential consumer would click on and make their purchase, right? So it looks really nice. I like it. Well, let's go over to Instagram and just type in the word like manifestation, right? And you can see some stuff will pop up. Manifestation, there's all kinds of stuff here. Manifestation Magics. Let's click their page, right? They have 87.6 thousand followers, and it's pretty much just a bunch of quotes. So these people are making a bunch of quotes about manifesting, right? And they got a lot of followers, and they have a link in their bio. Let's click the link in their bio. And look, it's the same link that is on ClickBank. So this person on Instagram is doing the exact same thing. They shortened it with the bit.ly. Well, they shortened it with a tiny URL. You could use tiny URL. You could use bit.ly. You could just a link shortener, right? You could shorten the link to make it look pretty. And it brings them to the same exact page that we saw over here on ClickBank, right? Same exact page. The difference is this page has a unique affiliate ID attached to it. So anytime somebody clicks on it here and makes a purchase, the person on the Instagram page right here, Manifestation Magics, the owner of this page and the owner of this affiliate link, they receive a commission, and that commission again is $33.98 right here. On average, it could be slightly different, slightly higher. And you can see there's a reoccurring rebill average of $7.93, which is also really good. That means that people are getting rebilled, and you get extra money for rebills. So that's awesome as well. So I hope you see that. Quick recap: ClickBank, sign up for free. Instagram, sign up for free, create a page on any of the niches. You can see there's all kinds of categories again that are available for you. Go through the products, find something that you feel like you could build an audience around, and just get started. It's not that complicated. Obviously, there is some more advanced techniques and skills like email marketing and sales marketing and stuff, and building a sustainable business. But you can definitely get started with very little like skills or knowledge or stuff like that and earn upwards of $100, $200, a couple $100 a day. Even if you don't make that, even if you only make $100 a week, it's extra money and it's free for you to get started. So I hope you like this video. If you did like it, smash that like button. If you didn't, I'm sorry. Leave a comment why you didn't like it, and leave a comment on anything you would like me to make for the next videos. I'll be more than happy to make those for you. Thanks everybody for being here, and as always, we will see you in the next one.